mode and insert a map visual. To do so, in my visualizations pane, right here, where is it? There you go, right here. Fourth row, first icon. Fourth row, first icon, you have a map visual. Now guys, there are multiple different map options. Map, filled map, Azure map, all of that. You will go with map, which is the best out of all. Okay, so I'm teaching you only what is the best out of all the options. We will go with the map visual, which has a globe icon. The moment you click on it, what will happen? A tile for the map visual will be inserted just like this. Again, I will make it a little bit bigger. Place it towards the bottom of my bottom left of my entire dashboard and make it a little bit bigger, something like this. There you go. All right. Now, in this map visual, we have multiple inputs. What all inputs do we have? Have a look at this.
Latitude, longitude,
Location, legend, latitude, longitude, bubble size, tooltips, multiple options, right? And again, no need to get confused about them. It's very, very, very simple. We will start step by step, which will make you understand everything. So, what is the first one? Location. Here you have to enter the field or the column which contains your locations. So because I want to visualize my countries, I will get my country column. You can visualize continents, cities, states of a country. The map of India also you can have here. So if you have a column which has all the states of India for different orders of your company, you can visualize only India's map also. Don't worry about that. All right. But because here we have the entire continent of Europe, I will go ahead and put in country into my location. The moment I do that, do you see this? Every country that my company has served has a circle now. You see this? I have no sales in Poland. So that is why there is no circle here. Or Ukraine, there is no circle there, right? So only where you have actually had any kind of sales, you have a circle. But if you notice, all these circles are of the same size. So why is that the case? That is because you haven't told Power BI based on what? You want to have the size of the circles determined. And what will that be? Can you tell me right now in the Zoom chat, guys, what field will determine the size of my circle? What will that be?
region.
Sales, absolutely. I want my country to have a bigger circle if I have more sales. And I want my country to have a smaller circle if it has comparatively less sales. So, sales is what is going to determine my bubble size. Correct? Now, the thing is, we have an input box which itself is called bubble size. So all I have to do is get my sales. Where is my sales? There you go. And put it into bubble size. That's it. The moment I do that, I will have different sized bubbles for all my countries, as you can see. Right? Now, not just that, guys. By the way, this entire map is completely interactive. You can zoom in, zoom out, do everything that you want. All right. Now, you are done with the entire visual. Yes, that is all. You literally had to put two things. However, there are a few more boxes that I want you all to understand. The first one, legend, you already know about it. We have used it multiple times. I'll be skipping that. Right here, you have latitude and longitude, which is very interesting because, guys, if you are working with any kind of data, which the Bing map, by the way, this map is powered by Microsoft Bing. It's a Bing map, all right, not a Google map for obvious reasons, right? It's Microsoft, so Bing map. If Bing map is not able to recognize whatever you have put in that column, let's say you're working with a municipal corporation and you are working for a dashboard for a village, which might or might not be recognized in the Bing map. What you can do is use the coordinate, the latitude and the longitude of it as a separate column, and you can use it in your map. For example, I am right now in Mumbai, so I'll go to Google. Okay? I'll go to Google and search for Mumbai coordinates. There you go. And just by putting Mumbai coordinate, or I can go to Google Map and see the coordinate for my own house also, whatever the case is. I'll go here, copy this coordinate, all right? Control C, copy it, go here, and into my data, create two more columns, longitude, latitude. I can go here and paste this. I can go here and paste it into other column as well. And once I'm done, I can use that as my latitude and longitude to plot something. So if you want to do that, you can do that. For now, I will ignore that because in my entire career, I have never seen Bing Map not recognize something. If it is unable to recognize something, it will ask you to put in the coordinate yourself, or rather, according to Microsoft Power BI as well. Alright, so if you want to use it, you can, but it's not required in most of the cases. I've never used it in my life because it's not required at all. Alright.